Tired of endless scrolling just to find TikTok Shop? Today, I'll show you how to make TikTok Shop instantly accessible, saving you precious time and maybe even some money on awesome finds. First, head over to your TikTok profile. You can find this by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a little person. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your gateway to settings and privacy. Tap on it. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Locate and tap on settings and privacy. It usually has a gear icon next to it. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the accessibility option. Tap on it. This will open the accessibility settings. In the accessibility menu, you'll see an option called Shop tab or something similar. Look for it and tap on it. A toggle will appear, usually next to the word shop. Simply toggle this to the on position. The toggle will usually change color, light to green or blue, indicating it's active. Now, when you go back to the main TikTok screen and click on the Discover icon, it will instantly redirect you to the shop page. Enjoy the convenience of quicker shopping. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.